You get it kind of laid out, you're going to lift the tub up, get underneath here. You have to pull this out to get to the battery, which is right there. And it's really pretty simple. I'm about to jump into it. Pulling everything out, 2 struts, all the cabling. There's really not a lot to it. This one piece, I'll show you how to do that. That's for the latch, it's easy. You'll see the before and after. All right, here's the power strut. So basically it's gonna go right here and you just tap into the battery. And like I said, you do have to lift this up, and we're already got it up. You won't have all these airbag components to deal with. But we're so excited. Shout out to Hansshow for these, and you'll see the before and after here in a second. The frunk is out. And this is what it looks like once you get the frunk out. And we're about to unbolt these and then run the cable, and then this is the latch we're gonna work on. Boop. Shout out Hansshow for all of these amazing accessories for your Tesla. If you're interested in any of these parts, I'm saving a lot of people money. Use Shoddy as a discount code right now and you will save a bunch of money. Quick shipping, really reliable products. All right, I'm gonna hit this button here. Hard to do with one hand, but here we go. Boom. There you go. You can see the Hansshow working amazing. Thank you, Hansshow, for these. They are absolutely amazing. Power up and down, easy installation. Like I said, you won't have to deal with any of this stuff. We had to deal with all of this. We had to disconnect all of this to hook this in, but you won't have to. But it's super easy install. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and close it.